down, they gave you a lamb chop, right? Because that's what we do, right? We believe in, everywhere you go, nobody give you nothing, right? You understand? But so what we do, we believe in sharing because share the wealth and grow rich,
Man,
Yeah.
that's real, man. Hey, let me tell you, they did come with the lamb chop. You know when when they came with the lamb chop, bro, your brother said he said, hey man, I need you to try it with this lime, right?
Yeah.
So me, man, I was hungry, bro. I just went ahead and bit into it. You know what I'm talking about? It was good that way. But when I tried it with the lime, it added another point 0.5 to a point 0.2. Man, it went from an 8.5 to a 9.2. For me to rate something a 9.2, you know it's thugging, man. You already know it's thugging, man. For real, man. Hey, let's get deeper to the interview, man. Look, first off, man, we're interviewing you, man. So really, I want to know about yourself, man. Tell me about your upbringing and stuff like that. Where you from? Like, where do you originate from? What's going on with you? Go ahead, man.
this the real. I'm from Birmingham.
Okay.
I'm from right here, Pacifico. This is where the restaurant is located. So I was born in a little shotgun house down the street from here, right? Then from there we moved to North Birmingham, and from North Birmingham to Norwood.
Okay.
So I was raised up with little white kids playing cowboy and Indians, because at that time Norwood was all white, and now it's going back to all white. You know what I'm saying?
Sure. Yeah.
So that's how the full circle goes. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now the house was $30,000 over there. Now they selling for $700,000.
No doubt, bro.
What I mean?
Yeah, real estate's going on too.
Yeah,
But the black and white thing, man, that's something, man, that I agree. I know you agree yourself, man. That needs to be dropped, bro. We all people. We all got one goal in this world, man. You live your life the best you can. You survive in this world and you get through. Now, first, I want to touch on your restaurants, man. How'd you get started?
Oh well, man, I got started. I came from prison. I ended up.
Speak on it, bro.
When I was in prison, I ended up making Bible covers, and these Bible covers I ended up doing 50. I did 5,000 Bible covers for an organization, and from that 5,000 Bible covers, I made 200,000. I sold them at $40 a cover, and you understand, I bought my first restaurant. So I believe in this self-growth type method. Create your own bank. Nobody don't have to bank you. You can bank yourself. That's why we doing a raffle, and I got an ebook. Got to put that out there.
Talk about
I got an ebook. It's called From Prison to Plate. Tell them where I came from to how we got it on the plate right now. And how we help other people get things. We just gave away 4 food trucks, and now we letting people win a food truck. You buy an ebook, you get a chance to be in the raffle for a food truck. Every 4,000 books sold, we raffling a $50,000 food truck off, right? So that's so pull that up on our social media, your chef,
Yeah, man, for
247.
sure. That's showing love to the city.
Yeah.
For sure, man. Now, what are your adventures like? I know you got Birmingham. You taking over Birmingham. You got spots here. So where do you plan on going next? Area code wise, and like where to look for you, basically.
Okay,
Where to look for
well,
you.
that's a good question, because we at first, I was like, we're just gonna sit still, but when your movement is there, you can't sit still,
Okay, bro.
That's
God working, bro.
Absolutely.
That's God working.
And then, so what we did is, one of the contestants that just won in the contest with us, she couldn't win a trailer because she was out of town. We went and opened a restaurant with up in that city, and that's in Montgomery. So the next move is Montgomery.
Can you give a shout out right quick?
Yeah,
that restaurant.
Shout out to Chef Lava's Kitchen, and it's gonna be powered by your chef. That's what we do. We helping.
That's
people
the man
get
right here, yo, chef. By the way. Yeah, go ahead, bro.
Yeah, that's all right. That's all right, man.
Yeah.
But it
You
was
doing
good
big
meeting
things.
you, though, man. Yeah,
man, you doing good things, man. Look, so, some other things I want to touch on. So you're doing the food truck giveaways. I see all that, man. Your food, man, that's fire. I don't know where you get your chefs from. You must hire them out of what you call it, school, culinary school, or something like
No,
that.
I'm gonna tell you something, man. We create chefs, right?
Okay.
That's why it's your chef.
Right.
It's
Okay.
personal. You can pick out a motherfucker. I can make him a chef. You understand? That's what I can do. You know what I'm saying?
That's some OG shit, man.
Yeah, it's super OG.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Now,
for
you
sure.
got different levels to OGs too.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a super OG. You know what I'm saying?
Touch on that.
OGs start at about 30,
Okay.
right? Then you
Okay.
get, what I'm saying? Then when you get 40, you're a double OG.
So I'm
then
close to a double
triple.
then. I'm 37.
Yeah. But in your life too. So if you did a lot of shit, 37 might make you a triple OG.
I know that's real.
You feel what
I
I'm saying?
feel like I am, but yeah.
But see, at a super OG, I can tell you're a triple now.
Okay.
You understand? So you just got crowned. You know what I'm saying?
I respect that.
You know what I'm saying?
That
That's how that works, man.
And then, can you get the address here?
Yeah, the address is 2201 4th Place West. We right in front of the farmer's market, which all our food is cooked. It comes from the farmer's market. So we got fresh food, you know. We do oxtails, lamb chops, candy yams. You know, we do real southern food with it's southern food with a how should we say it?
Bayou draw.
Yeah.
I mean,
we call it a fusion. You know what I'm saying? We fuse it with southern and from New Orleans, the chef from New Orleans.
For sure, man.
Yeah.
For sure. Now look, man, I want to ask you more. Everybody's gonna ask this question right here, right? Roll Tide or War Eagle?
I'm gonna tell you, man. I'm gonna be real neutral on that one, right? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's
don't
like,
do it, OG. Speak your mind.
I mean, real talk, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause everybody know really, you know, I don't really watch sports, right? But I put the TVs on for who like sports.
Right.
I'm just a person that more motivated into the grind and get to the bread.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So I don't let things really take my mind other than what I put it on.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it, man. Hey, man, if you do you want to touch on the book?
Oh yeah, you know, we got a book out. I think I touched on it a little bit. Oh no, this book here, no.
Oh, not that one. Okay,
No,
I'm sorry.
no.
Well, just tell them about what you got coming out, man. My fault. I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
The book that we got coming out is it's called From Prison to Plate. It's already out, you know, and we got it on audio. It's an audio book or it's an ebook. So if you want to learn how to get to the bread without, breaking the law, I went to prison. You ain't got to go to prison. People don't have to do that shit, right? You know what I'm saying? But so that when you learn better, you do better, right? So you got to teach it to the people. So that's what I've been doing, So my whole thing is just to share it. But the ebook is called From Prison to Plate. You can get it on any one of our platforms. Yo Chef, when you go on any of our thing, Kashif Yaameen on YouTube. You can find this book, and when you get the book, it's a raffle as well. So you're getting a chance to get some knowledge on how to get to the money without the bank. I promise you, it worked. It worked for me. So it could work for anybody, right?
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
I appreciate
you
for you letting me use your platform to tell people.
Hey man, there's two ways we're going in this interview, right?
Right.
So the first thing, man, I want to know, Tupac or Biggie? You got to pick one.
Okay, I can fuck with that. You know what I'm saying? For me, it would be Pop.
Man, come on, man.
You know
Unconditional love,
Yeah,
got that California love. Man, this Pac all the way. Biggie can't catalog with the man. He can't, period. He can't. Pac's the greatest of all time. And man, the second way to interview is, to quit this interview would be, look, man, we got one message on this platform. That's to spread positivity, to spread what's going on. This is going down in Birmingham, Alabama, right?
Absolutely.
In Birmingham, Alabama. We're going to expand this throughout the state.
Absolutely.
Maybe further, man.
Oh, yeah.
Who knows?
I see me partnering up with you.
Man, already. It's OG Spencer and this OG.
It's Kashif Yaameen.
You already know what it is. And we out of here.